Hey everyone, this is Zach here with Fairings Training Gustafsson. We've got another new product we want to announce. This is going to be for the 2020 BMW S1000XR. Basically their sport bike, but a little more upright. So it's a real high performance bike, and a big complaint that we've got from a few customers is the small stock windshield. So let's dig into it and we'll see what we've got here. So this is the factory tall version. This is 17 inches tall. We went ahead and made a 19-inch tall version, which also has some added width on it too. You can kind of see the added height here, and then also the added width on the sides. We have about 2 inches added. So we'll do some walkthroughs with the clear one on the bike. Now,
Hi, I'm a customer of Gustafsson Plastics, and this is the second windshield they made for me. I came all the way down here to get one for my new S1000XR. I had the factory tall screen. It wasn't quite tall enough to keep wind off my face, and I wanted a little bit more protection on the sides, and they've done a custom windshield in less than 12 hours because I was here. The last one I got was good quality, and this one looks like it is too, and these guys are very flexible. They can design anything. This windshield has 2 positions, down and up. It's in the down position now, and in the up position, it pretty much covers everything on the bike. So
I hope that video helped explain our taller windshield for the BMW S1000XR. The windshield will come pre-drilled. We'll include some spacers for mounting for the top holes to help lift it off the brackets a little bit, but other than that, you'll reuse the grommets and collars and the screws that came on the stock windshield.
Right, so if you've got an S1000 or you have any kind of motorcycle that needs a better windshield, give these guys a call.